It's your Nostalgia Chicks.
I'm Sin.
And I'm Uno. And today we have a special guest, one of my college teammates, Danyele Wilson. We cheered together at IU. She is a high-intensity trainer. We just got done getting a quick workout in, and she's going to show us one of her meals that she makes for her meal prepping. And she's going to show us some cool little, some
workouts, some little exercises you guys can do while your food's cooking to help burn some calories, offset a little bit, Oiling up the pan a little bit, just throw in some olive oil, whatever you have, vegetable, olive. I like all organic products personally. And then we're going to start with the protein. So we put in this is just some frozen, ready-made chicken. If you like the breasts, you can.
We love literally.
Here, nice and easy.
How much should you put in there? I guess it's a lot.
Oh no, right?
Okay, yeah.
So, I like to put, I'm a really big fan of mushrooms.
Yeah.
And
I love
broccoli.
mushroom.
And then we got some red onions, white onions.
Yeah.
You're right. Green peppers, yellow and red.
Perfect.
This is gonna help make it nice and colorful, nice and beautiful.
We're all about the presentation.
It's gonna be perfect for that Instagram pic. Do
What's
it for the gram.
Do it for the gram.
Yeah.
Do it for the gram. We're gonna put this frozen broccoli in the microwave and just steam it for what?
Yes,
5
that's
minutes?
a trick. That's a trick. So
Easy frozen
broccoli, you're gonna put it in the microwave, cook it for however long it says on the bag, and then you're gonna throw that into the mixture, and that's gonna make sure you get that nice soft broccoli. While we wait for this chicken to cook a little bit,
Okay.
I'm all about sculpting the legs. Little bench, balcony, little countertop right here. I want you to bring your feet a little bit forward, like so. The farther your feet are from the wall, the more difficult it's going to be.
Okay.
You guys are just going to drop down, bring it all the way into those triceps, 90 degrees, and then bring it straight back up.
Okay.
Whoa.
Bring it down, hold at the bottom, straight up.
Whoa, I feel all
there you go.
We always like to add our own little spices.
Of course.
I always gotta spice it up just a little, otherwise you get bored.
Yeah.
Especially in my diet, I eat a lot of different lean meats, lean proteins, and it's all about the different ways that you spice it up to make it feel like a different meal every time, even if it's just chicken and rice.
Yeah.
If you spice it differently, it's gonna feel like a different meal.
Yeah, veggie
So just throw them in.
The veggies are here.
There you go, and then let's scoop some of those mushrooms, put those in at the same time.
Ooh, we love mushrooms.
There we go. Ooh, that's convenient. I like that. Now, add the broccoli. We got the broccoli out of the microwave. It's already steamed. Putting it in. And one thing also about cooking chicken and things like that when you're doing meal prep, every time you reheat it, it's going to cook the chicken even more. So that first time you cook it, you want to leave it a little bit like medium-ish.
Okay, that's right.
Especially for like steaks. Chicken, make sure it's all the way cooked through.
Yeah.
But just don't cook it till it's like hard. So we're gonna come to a neutral stance, feet hip width apart, toes facing forward. You guys are gonna come down to a half squat right here. Engage those quads, engage those glutes, and you're just gonna sidestep.
Okay.
You're gonna sidestep here. Come and bring it 2 times to the left. 2 times to the right.
Okay.
There you go.
I
2
feel
steps
that.
to the left.
Yes.
2 steps to right.
Ooh,
Make
let it burn.
Make sure you got resistance in that
I love
band the
it.
entire time. About 20 total.
I like it.
And then
I
make
like
sure
it
you
too.
check on your chicken. You can't get all into your workout. You can't get all into your workout and forget about the chicken. Ooh.
Smells so good.
Okay. All right. Now it's time to add that teriyaki sauce.
All right.
So again, just healthy helping. Whatever is gonna coat your food, how much sauce you want is really up to you.
You gotta tell me, Danny, because we go a little heavy-handed with the seasoning.
I mean, I would put some more in if I were you. Just kind of give it a nice.
It's not even
thick.
coming out very fast.
Yeah, it's pretty good little.
There you go.
Let's
Let's
try it.
next exercise, guys.
All
We're
right.
gonna keep this one nice and simple. You're just gonna squat all the way down and bring it up. I want you to try to make sure you try to break the band at the bottom. Don't let the band. Try to bring your knees in, tighten up that side booty, and bring it
So
up.
that's a deep That's a
That
deep
There you
is.
go.
squat.
As low as you can go. Chest tall. Squeeze the glutes. Weight in the heels. And bring it
Yeah.
right back
I
up.
like
Okay,
this one
awesome.
too.
Nice and slow.
Do it.
Yes, you can, if you like spicy, black pepper, red pepper is my favorite.
Cayenne.
Yes, red cayenne pepper.
And then now we're just gonna let it simmer. So you know what that means?
Smoke break.
Exercise break.
Okay.
And exercise. All right, team. Last exercise, all right? We're going to go into a lateral sliding lunge, all right?
All right.
So we're wearing socks, which is perfect for this nice wooden floor.
Perfect.
So all you're going to do is you're going to shoot your left leg out to the side. All the weight stays on that right leg. Bring it out.
Woo!
And bring it right back up. Other leg.
Yeah.
So, two of my favorite ones, nice and quick. Make sure, I'll have you guys come up a little bit in front of me.
Working. We are working.
Burning out the shoulders. Hey,
Hey,
hey.
I should work.
All right, guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Ready to see what it looks like under
Hungry.
here?
I'm hungry.
hungry.
All right, the big reveal. There you go.
I'm just ready.
It looks
So
good.
good.
So fast.
Wow, so fast, so
Literally
easy.
probably-
Wow.
Yep.
So
And now
cheap.
it's time to get the rice out.
Let's do
Okay,
it.
perfect.
Jasmine rice is ready outside the cooker.
Right?
You bring it.
We just put it in a nice little cute bowl to make the presentation look
Yeah.
nice.
So
See?
easy.
Perfect.
Quick, easy hack.
Looks like you got it at a restaurant.
Cheers. Clink.
That's really good. Oh, perfect.
So good.
Mmm.
Everything's like
Vegetables are
tender.
tender. The chicken is juicy.
Yep.
Oh, whoa.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all social media. And also follow our lovely friend Danyele.
Yes.
Danyele Wilson.
Yes, and get some inspiration and get your butt in the gym.
She's Instagram famous. We're trying to
Yes,
get on
she
her level.
is. Yes, she
So
is.
follow
Oh,
her.
Lord.
So that's all we have. So join us next time on the adventures of the Nostalgia Chicks.